Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we will learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, lady shirt, girls top, baby sweater and shawl and stall. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 6 rows repeat pattern cast on multiple of 4 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches. Multiple of 4 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 15 stitches on my needle, 12 stitches, multiple of 4, 3 times 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12 plus 1 extra stitch, 13 and plus 2 edge stitches, 15. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 1, yarn over to back, knit 3 together from back loop. For this, twist these first 2 stitches, take these 2 on your left needle. Now take 3 stitches together and knit 3 together from back loop. Yarn over to front. That's a repeat from here to here. Purl 1, yarn over, knit 3 together from back loop, yarn over. This is 4 stitches pattern, 2, 4. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Purl 1, yarn over to back, knit 3 together. For this, twist these first 2 stitches, take these 2 on your left needle and knit 3 together from back loop. Yarn over to front. One more time. Purl 1, yarn over to back, knit 3 together from back loop. Twist these first 2 stitches, take these 2 on your left needle and knit 3 together from back loop. Yarn over to front. Here we complete 3 times repeat pattern, last 2 stitches, purl 1 and knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row, wrong side. Slip edge, yarn in back and knit these all stitches till the end of row. Purl edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's a repeat from here to here, purl 1, knit 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. One more time. Purl 1, yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we complete 3 times repeat pattern, last 2 stitches, purl 1, knit edge from right side. Third row is completed. Now fourth row, wrong side. In this row, knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge, yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. That's a repeat from here to here, knit 1, purl 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. One more time. Knit 1, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Last 2 stitches, knit 1 and purl edge from wrong side. 5th row, right side, slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's a repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How many you have? So yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. One more time. Purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we complete 3 times repeat pattern. Last 2 stitches, purl 1 and knit edge from right side. 5th row is completed. Now 6th row, wrong side. Again in this row, knit as knit and purl as purl. Knit 1, yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 1, purl 3. Again we repeat this pattern. Knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. One more time. Knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Last 2, knit 1 and purl edge from wrong side. 6th row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from 1st row. In this way we repeat this 1 to 6 rows, and after repetition of 6 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of N. If you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye fan.